I am your host Syed Waqas Hussain. Today we will discuss 5 rain safety tips. Here are 5 important rain safety tips to keep in mind. Check the weather forecast. Knowing the expected conditions can help you plan accordingly and stay prepared. Dress appropriately. Dress in waterproof or water-resistant clothing to keep yourself dry. Don't forget to wear appropriate footwear that provides good traction on wet surfaces. Use proper umbrella etiquette. When using an umbrella, be mindful of those around you. Ensure it doesn't obstruct other people's paths or poke them accidentally. Hold it low to prevent water from dripping on others. Be cautious on wet surfaces. Wet surfaces can be slippery, so walk with caution. Take smaller steps, avoid running, and hold handrails if available. Watch out for puddles and areas with poor drainage. Stay away from flooded areas. Avoid flooded areas, both on foot and in vehicles. It's challenging to determine the depth of water, and fast-moving currents can be dangerous. Turn around and find an alternate route. Remember, your safety is a priority during rainy conditions. Follow these tips to stay protected and enjoy the rain responsibly.